What's up, my nigga?
Yeah, you gotta leave them at the door.
Damn, heavy ass door.
That's what I said.
I forgot to tell you, Ty. We're trapping the spot out, bro. That's what I came here for. I got about 2 kilos in my bag, bro. We gotta move this shit by tonight. I gotta get this shit on. You know what you wanna eat? ZAXBY'S. ZAXBY'S or Wendy's. Alright, let's get a move on. We finna go to ZAXBY'S. They be closed at 10. You know what time it is? 9:20. It's 9:20. We need to get the fuck a move on. Nigga, damn man, forgot the keys. Who's gonna be out there bitch stranded in the rain? Mukbang. Mukbang outside. It's raining. What the fuck is time? God damn, it took forever. Nigga, did you fall or some shit? What took you so long? Oh, damn. I ain't gonna lie. This is the most depressing ZAXBY'S I ever seen.
Like what? Oh, they fucked the shit out your bread, bro. Oh, they fucked the shit out your bread. Don't eat that shit. Don't eat that shit, bro. Don't eat that shit, bro.
Man, this is the most depressing shit I ever seen in my life.
Yeah, bro, don't eat that shit.
Show him your shit, bro. Show him your shit. Yeah, turn it like this. Oh, hold on, wait. I gotta do this. Thumbnail, nigga. Thumbnail. I'm on YouTube on some shit now. Thumbnail, nigga. Thumbnail.
I'm supposed to be surprised, bro.
Yeah, bring it in closer. Bring it like right here. Come in a little more. Bro, why my bread like that though?
Bro, don't eat that, bro. Don't eat that shit. They were mad cause your ass came, so like, bro, don't eat that shit, bro. They didn't fuck the shit out your bread.
Nigga, somebody done fuck the shit out you. Bro, like, this shit sad as fuck. I ain't gonna lie, like, they put no love in this food, bro.
At all.
Like, damn, I know we came like 20 minutes before closing, but damn, bro. It was like 30, bro. Y'all could have put some love in our shit, bro.
They try to make y'all leave. Tell them what they told you, bro. We wanted some wings.
Nigga, I said I wanted the wings and things, bro. I was like, lemon pepper them hoes up. Motherfucker said, it'll be 20 minutes for that. Nigga, y'all closed in 20 minutes. What the hell you talking about, bro? Alright, whatever. Just give me the Zach snack, bro. I know they were lying too.
That's a restaurant though. I used to work in the movies, bro. Why are you coming to the movies to see a movie? You order a large popcorn, large drink, a pizza, cheese bites, large boneless wings. Like, what the fuck, bro?
Damn. Niggas ordering shit like that for real.
Exactly. They used to fuck it up for everybody, bro. We used to tell them we stopped cooking around like 9. Whole time we closed at 10:45.
Hey, you was finna tell me something earlier. You said you was gonna wait. What you was finna tell me?
You know the little fidgets everybody been playing with lately? They real trendy. It's called a Nito.
I don't know what the fuck that is.
You don't know a Nito?
I don't know what the fuck a Nito is.
That's what I'm saying, bro. I had to get put on game. I ain't know that shit either.
What's a Nito?
It's like they make a whole bunch of like fidget shit, like stretch shit you can just squeeze and squish and shit.
Y'all sound like a bunch of bullshit to me.
I like regular stretch balls, but they been getting creative. Like they got some creative ass shit they made it out. Like they got popsicles, and I really can't begin to tell you because I just started learning myself. But they got a lot of shit.
Hey, how you eat a popsicle?
I don't.
You don't eat popsicles?
Hell no.
If you was to eat a popsicle, how would you eat it?
I'll put it in the cup. Nah. Realistically, bro, you weird. I know what you want me to say, bro.
What?
You take a popsicle, bro, and you just squeeze it up, bro.
You say what the hell you want to say. You want to know what I do to them?
What?
I suck on them bitches so they get soft. And I bite their head off.
Bro, what's your biggest inspiration?
As far as like what? Like content? Or like just in life?
Yeah, sure, bro. I don't know. I ain't never got that for
Life? Or content? Which one?
content. Yeah, we do content.
Like content, Your Rage, Bruce Drop 'Em Off, and Solo Minati. Them like the 3 main ones. And then I take like them the ones that's kind of like shape my like idea of content, cause them the ones who I watch the most. But I take bits and pieces from a lot of other people, like DDG. Like DDG, the way he dropped and shit like that, like the way he like attacked the way he attacked content type shit, like just drop. Cause when I first started, I was dropping like 7-8 videos a fucking day, bro. I was really
damn.
I was pumping them bitches out. Granted, they was all reactions, so it was easy. I ain't really had to do nothing but watch a video, but it's still hard to do that shit.
I imagine all that editing and shit.
That's the crazy thing though. When I first started out, I wasn't editing and shit. I just like 7 videos a day, nigga. Fuck editing, nigga. If an ad pop up in the video, nigga, the ad is in the video.
Oh, you a real nigga, bro.
But as I started progressing, I'll cut the ads out. Then I'll cut this out, cut that out, and make it look better. And now I'm at this point. And I'm sure as I keep going, it'll get better and better.
Nah, bro. You gotta keep showing the ads, bro. You gotta show them you a real nigga. Starting from the trenches. No YouTube Premium, bro. Show them you really got that shit out the bottom.
Hey, niggas used to like, when I first started streaming, niggas used to troll me about that shit, bro. They used to troll me hard, but like, you got ads, bro, just get YouTube Premium. It's only like $15.
Hell no, bro. I only got YouTube Premium, bro. Never will buy it.
I'm not getting YouTube Premium, nigga. What do you do? What do you do to feel at peace, bro?
I don't know, bro. I do a lot of driving. I do a lot of listening to music.
Who's your favorite artist?
Fuck, I don't know, bro. I listen to everybody.
You ain't got no particular favorite though?
It's hard, bro. If I sat here and try to think about through all the artists, which one my favorite, it would be Sent to Christmas.
That's far as fuck. What about a favorite song?
I don't know. Right now though, I'm stuck on that Yes Sirski real bad.
The fuck is that?
Rob 49 and YTB Fat.
I can't get with Rob 49, bro. I just can't, bro. I just can't, bro.
It's YTB Fat song though. He's just a feature.
It's just something about Rob 49, bro. Like, I don't like him. Am I old?
How?
Like, niggas always tell me I got an old soul. Like, what do they mean by that?
I don't know, but you don't.
I don't.
You don't at all. Niggas just be saying that shit just to say that. I know niggas with an old soul. You ain't no nigga with an old soul.
What's
bro.
the definition of an old soul?
Somebody that act old. Like, you can't be defined by music taste or nothing. I know niggas that really walk around using phrases that ain't been used since the 1960s. Dressed like they granddaddy. Talk like they finna kiss a girl while she fucking another nigga.
Wait, huh?
Huh?
Nigga, what?
What?
What the fuck is you talking about?
I'm trying to think, bro. I can't think of one nigga. I forgot I'm on video. I don't need the name drop anyway.
Damn, do these niggas hate you?
Do
Damn, for real? You got ops?
I? Do I?
Damn, I didn't know you living like that, my brother.
I'm not. Niggas just don't like me for no reason.
It be like that though, bro. It's like, damn, what you been hating?
You don't like me, nigga. I don't even know you.
That be the crazy part, bro. It's like, nigga, I have never had a conversation with you a day in my life. Why do you dislike me so much?
I don't even know your government name or your birthday. I don't know who, what parents you got, what family you got. I just don't know you, bro. You can walk past me on the street, I'm gonna think you any other nigga.
Whole time, they walking past you. Fucking hate bitch ass nigga.
Exactly, bro. Like, a real nigga let it be known, though. A real nigga.
On me, I really appreciate niggas like that, bro. Like dead ass. A nigga that can come up to me and be like, I don't fuck with you. I respect the fuck out of niggas like that, bro. I respect niggas like that, bro.
I don't.
Y'all
bro.
real. Y'all real.
I don't, bro. I can respect it, but
Don't look at it like they coming at you because they don't fuck with
No,
you.
I'm saying a nigga walk up to me and he like, you know, I don't fuck with you. I'm gonna ask you why.
Yeah, I'm
Now,
gonna ask you why. Like,
You give me, if you give me the wrong answer, I'm gonna smack the shit out you, bro. Don't yo. Why you don't like me? I don't know. Hey, bro, you remember that time in 2nd grade, bro? You had broke my pencil. Nigga, I'm gonna smack the shit out your ass, bro. I'm saying, bro, nigga walk up to you, bro, and like, I don't fuck with you. You say why, and they say, I don't know. What you gonna do? Like, what's your reaction?
Most people that don't fuck with you for whatever reason, it's not, they don't really have a reason, bro. They just don't like you because you doing something or you comfortable enough in your skin, and they just resent that because they don't have that confidence in themselves to go out and do something and venture into whatever the fuck else.
That's why I feel like I gotta smack him though, cause like,
Cause you acting like a bitch.
you conflicted over no reason, bro. Nah, I gotta slap you. Like, I gotta give you a reason to hate me. Then don't come up with some stupid ass lie, bro. It's just gonna make it worse.
That's what they gonna do every time, bro. They gonna come up with some whack ass reason to why they don't like you. Cause most of the time, people that don't like you, that don't know you, it's just for some bullshit, bro.
What place you wanna go to the most this year?
The most, like, multiple times?
Nah, I mean, shit.
Oh, just like, where do I want to go?
Hey, wherever you wanna go, bro.
It's like a Caribbean island, though. I ain't gonna do all the shit I just did.
Nah, bro, you better than me, bro.
Like a Caribbean island, bro. Like, I want to go to a Caribbean fest so bad. So it'd be like Jamaica, any of them shits over in that area, bro. Doing a Caribbean fest, bro, with a big booty hole, nigga.
Rich badness, them know a gunman style. Big Vince spark up and last big bang Kyle.
They might not let me touch them, but I got you, bro. Bow, bow. A strip club, too. Now I think about it, I need to go to a strip club this year at some point.
Man, bro, I can't picture you in a strip club.
You
bro.
can't picture me in a strip club?
Like, I'm saying, like, picture you doing that in the strip, like going, like losing your shit.
I'm tired of strip club time.
I can't picture you in there with no self-control.
I feel what you're saying. I really feel what you're saying. But you gotta think about me though. When I get in the environment where I really just where I wanna be, my nigga, like I wanna go to a strip club. I want that experience. So I'm being that motherfucker. oh my god! Money, nigga. I'm trying to tell you, cuz.
Bro.
Never mind. But you gotta think about in a strip club time. You really gotta think about all the bad asses in there. You gotta think about it. These hoes don't fuck with you. And you don't, well, any logical man don't fuck with them. They just doing their job, bro. So I'm in that bed. I'm mesmerized by all, as Z and Bilu would say, the gigawatts. I'm mesmerized by it. And I'm just throwing the cheese, nigga. And like I said, I ain't no dummy. I ain't no dummy. So when I start running out of money, oh, I got it. What's your top 3 things on your bucket list?
Start a family, get rich, die rich.
Damn, 50 Cent.
Nah, but that's get rich or die trying.
No, it's
I
just
wanna
like
get rich,
that sound like
die
some 50
rich.
Cent shit, bro. That sound like some 50 Cent shit, bro. Damn, that's your bucket list, that's it, bro. My bucket list is so fucking random, bro. I'm not gonna lie.
It's some simple and quick. That's something that everybody want though.
That's why I was like a bucket list. I feel like it should just be. I think it's just a bunch of random shit you just want to experience in life. You know what's on my bucket list? I want to do a video with a bunch of porn stars. When I mean by video, I mean like this, like with a bunch of porn stars, bro, and a bunch of like known ones too, like known porn stars. I don't want no wackos. I want to be in a Tubi movie. Like shit like that, like just random shit. Like I want to be in a Tubi movie, nigga. What else I want to do? Like a singular tree on the top of a hill. I want to smoke weed by it. Like on some Attack on Titan, like shit like that.
That's on the boondog shit.
Yeah, like that. That's a good ass pool, bro.
That's what I thought you was talking about.
That's a good ass pool.
I wasn't even thinking about Attack on Titan.
It's just what because this is like the last TV show I watched. For real. I think they cool, bro. I don't know how long we was just talking. We got a lot of good shit though, bro. For real though, bro. I appreciate everybody for tuning in, bro. I appreciate everybody for tuning in, bro. If you still here up until this point, like the video so I can know, keep putting out more. Comment down below what you want to see more of. I love y'all. I appreciate y'all for watching. Gang, gang.
Gang, gang.
Gang, gang.